So I've decided that I want to do YouTube videos, and whenever I thought about doing my YouTube videos using my camera to shoot the video, that seemed like it would be inconvenient if someone tried to call me or texted me while I was shooting some footage. So I decided I should get a second camera, a dedicated camera, and then get something like a tripod to use with it so that I could create videos that were a little bit more convenient for me. And I chose the GoPro because it seems to be what a lot of people are using. It's well reviewed. It seems that it's well suited for a variety of different conditions that I might need to use it in. And so this is the GoPro 9. I ordered it directly from the GoPro website because in addition to just the price of the GoPro, they included a 64 gigabyte SD card, and they included an additional battery. And then on top of that, then there's an annual subscription to GoPro's cloud services, and all together seemed like a really nice deal compared to the price of just buying the GoPro at retail. So let's open this up and see what they've included. Oh, here we go. They've got a strip tear here. And it looks like they have provided a carrying case. So let's see what's in the carrying case. See the pocket at the top. We've got your usual, looks like a quick start card. And then some additional documentation here. Have product questions. They are encouraging that we not return the product, but call for support. So this is just the warranty in multiple languages. So there's my quick start guide. Looks like there's some GoPro stickers of sorts included on that as well. And then looks like we have a micro USB cable. Looks like it's some kind of a mount. It has sticky tape on the bottom of it. I guess we'll see what that's for. And looks like we've got a screw for attaching it to something. I'm not sure yet. And then here we have the battery. So this is the battery that comes with the camera. So that's what this relatively large box must also contain, is one of these. So that's something to be seen. Then this looks like another piece for perhaps attaching the GoPro to the tripods or a tripod. Again, we'll find out what these extra pieces are for. And then here is the GoPro camera itself. Much smaller than I expected it to be. So reason I thought it might be the size of a typical 35mm camera. And there are some screens here on the front. There's some protective film over the aperture. And then there's also a large screen on the back. So that's all very interesting. So this is all what has come with the GoPro in the box, or in its carrying case, if you will. Nice little carrying case with a divider to hold the different objects in place. And you've got the camera here. And now let's look at this tripod grip arm. Now I bought this also from the GoPro website, and it's GoPro branded. Here, this was a nice little knife. And this looked like a versatile alternative to a tripod, because you can hold the camera, you can hold you can use this like a grip for the camera, which is nice because you don't want to just carry your camera around in your hand. You want to be able to get some distance from the camera for the best shots. And this is very well packaged. This is clearly the mount. Oh, it's got a little lever here to tighten the position. Move the mount into the position that you want, and then lock that lever into place, and it locks the mount. And then, as I mentioned, this has a grip on it so that you could use it like a selfie stick, but it also has fold-out legs. I don't know if you can see this very well, but you can use it as a tripod and adjust your height and angle in multiple directions. So yeah, that will come in handy. And that is all that I've purchased to get started with my YouTube videos. And I hope that you'll grow to enjoy the content that I provide, and that you'll subscribe and like what you like. And that's what I have until we see video that's produced with this GoPro.